Namaskaram. So, from ICA material on page number 4.195, we are going to start illustration 1 on depreciation. This is the first illustration that we are solving from the institute's material. So, please focus and try to understand maximum aspect in this first illustration. Balance illustration, I won't be spending that much time as compared to this illustration. So, Mr. X, a proprietor, engaged in manufacturing business. Now, please understand friend, this manufacturing business word is very important word, because here whether they mention or not, you need to think about additional depreciation. Okay. So, this is the hint that I am giving you when you are reading the answer itself. Okay. At that point itself, you need to keep this point, important points in your mind. So, opening WDV of plant and machinery. What is the rate of depreciation of plant and machinery? Obviously 15%. Opening WDV, you will get depreciation, but you don't get additional depreciation, because additional depreciation is available only on those assets which are acquired and installed during the previous year. New plant and machinery purchased and put to use as on 8 June 2019. So, this is put to use for the first half of the year, and therefore, this will be eligible for full depreciation. This will be eligible for full depreciation. So, we will get depreciation as well as additional depreciation, both things on this. Okay. Next, new plant and machinery acquired and put to use as on 15th December. Now, 15th December means if you count number of days, okay, in December this machinery has been used for almost 17 days. Okay. Then January 31, Feb 29 and March 31. So, total number of days put to use here is approximately 108 days, which is for sure less than 180 days. Obviously, it is acquired in the December. So, you can understand according to a cutoff date, any machinery which is acquired and put to use after 4th October shall be eligible only for half depreciation. Okay. Now, when I am saying eligible for the half depreciation, so it is also eligible for half additional depreciation in this year and half additional depreciation in the next year. So, that note you need to keep in mind. Okay, after finishing your answer, you need to mention this note that balance 50% of additional depreciation on the asset purchase and put to use for less than 180 days in the previous year shall be eligible in the next AY, that is AY 21-22. Computer acquired and installed in the office. See, computer acquired and installed in the office is eligible for depreciation, but not eligible for additional depreciation, and that too it is acquired in the month of January. Now, you can understand it is acquired in the month of January, that means put to use for less than 180 days. So, you will get half depreciation. What other observation you need to keep in mind? This first asset, they have not mentioned the nature of the plant and machinery, therefore, it has to be assumed from the block of 15%, which is the general rate on depreciation on plant and machinery, and computers and computer software is eligible at a rate of 40%. So, we are having two blocks here, one is 15% block and one is 40% block. Compute the amount of depreciation and additional depreciation as per Income Tax Act 1961. For AY 2021, assume that all assets were purchased by account pay check. This is the proviso, okay, to section 43(1). Okay, that we are going to learn later on. Okay, in next lecture, what is the proviso to section 43(1) is this: if you purchase any asset otherwise than account pay check, account pay draft, ECS or other notified electronic mode, technically if you purchase any asset in cash, okay, for value exceeding 10,000 rupees, then the that asset will not be eligible for depreciation. So, what is the assumption here? These new machineries which are purchased 20 lakh, 8 lakh and 3 lakh, okay, it is purchased by using account pay check, and therefore, it is eligible for depreciation. Even if the question does not mention this assumption, you should be smart enough to mention it in your answer, that it is assumed that these assets were purchased by account pay check or other notified electronic modes. Okay. So, let us solve the answer in our pattern. So, when you prepare answer, you need to keep this in mind, that presentation matters a lot in examination nowadays. Okay. So, here assessee is equal to Mr. X, and that Mr. X is like important note in bracket you should write is the manufacturing assessee, and because he is a manufacturing assessee, you need to think about additional depreciation. Legal status of this assessee is individual, because then you can directly see from name, individual. Okay, residential status, if nothing mentioned in examination, you need to consider OR. AY 2021, PY 1920, PAN dash. Okay. This lecture we have recorded almost for 3 times since yesterday, and every time there was some technical problem. So we are going to resolve this question one more time. So let's see. So this instead of writing rupees here, we will write the what you say, the block that we are having. So we are having plant and machinery block of 15%, and we are having computers block of 40%. Okay, so 15% block and 40% block. Then we will always start with opening WDV. This is the starting point of our answer. Now you can jump to the question and tell me what is our opening WDV. 30 lakh, and for computer we don't have any opening WDV. Okay, so opening WDV 30 lakh, computer dash, then we do add purchases. For our ease of doing calculations, we have divided purchases into 2 bracket. Okay, purchases and put to use for 180 days or more and less than 180 days. 180 days or more and less than 180 days. So now here you need to see the dates. So here the dates are, so this 20 lakh rupees asset is purchased and put to use for 180 days or more, and this 8 lakh rupees is less than 180 days, and this 3 lakh is also less than 180 days. So this is 20 lakh rupees, less than 180 days is 8 lakh rupees, and here less than 180 days is 3 lakh rupees dash. Okay. So just take a total here, 58 lakh and 3 lakh. From this we subtract less assets sold. So less money payable according to format given under section 32. So they have written money payable, but this technically means selling price of the asset. We haven't sold any asset in this year. So just to maintain the consistency with the format, this is the closing WDV. So this is the closing WDV before depreciation. Okay, before depreciation, 58 lakh and 3 lakh. Okay. Now from this closing WDV, we have to provide 2 types of depreciations. One, depreciation, and second, additional depreciation. So far as computer is concerned, it is not eligible for additional depreciation, but we will compute basic depreciation on it. 3 lakh multiply by with a different thing, I will show you calculation. 3 lakh multiply by 40% multiply by 1 by 2. So 3 lakh on calci, please compute along with me, into 40% divide by 2 is equal to 60,000. So depreciation on computer is 60,000, and depreciation on plant and machinery we will compute in working note, because you need to know how to present it in a working note as well. So working note number 1, depreciation, and when we compute depreciation, we compute on the block value. So we write first, okay, the less than 180 days. Please understand, first preference is always for asset put to use for less than 180 days. What is the value of asset purchase and put to use for less than 180 days? See this is the important value in this particular table, because it is qualifying for only half depreciation. Okay, so less than 180 days, 8 lakh into 15% into 1 by 2 1 by 2 half depreciation. So 8 lakh into 15% divided by 2 is equal to 60,000. Second is the balance, if any. So what will be the balance? 58 lakh was the value of block. Out of that 8 lakh depreciation we have already computed. So the balance value is 50 lakh. 50 lakh multiplied by 15%. So 50 lakh multiplied by 15% is equal to 7,50,000, and 7,50,000 plus 60,000 is equal to 8,10,000. So that you can mention in here in table 8,10,000. Okay. Next, working note number 2. Additional depreciation. Now when you compute additional depreciation, your full focus has to be on these two numbers. Full focus has to be on these two numbers. Why? Additional depreciation is eligible only on those assets which are purchased and put to use during the previous year. So these two assets should be under consideration. So look at the working note here. First, like always, the less than 180 days. That you already know, 8 lakh into 20%, which is a standard additional depreciation rate, into 1 by 2. So 8 lakh into 20% divided by 2 is equal to 80,000. And second, here we don't write balance if any, here we write 180 days or more. So these two red point you need to understand, 180 days or more, because we get additional depreciation only on asset purchased and put to use during the previous year. Okay. So 180 days or more, how much value is there for 180 days or more? 20 lakh into 20% is equal to 4 lakh. Now 4 lakh plus 80,000 is equal to 4 lakh 80,000. So here you should write 4 lakh 80,000. And then finally compute opening WDV for AY 21-22. Okay, for next year. So 58 lakh minus 8,10,000 minus 4,80,000 is equal to 45,10,000, and here it is 2,40,000. This will be your next year's value. When you computed half depreciation on this, you need to write one note here. What will be the note? Any asset purchased and put to use for less than 180 days during PY shall be eligible for a half depreciation, half additional depreciation in AY 2021, and the balance half shall be available from in AY 21-22. Okay, next AY, that is rupees 80,000. So this is how you need to present your answer. I hope you understood this. If you are having any queries in solving practical question, as you message, some of the student messaged me yesterday, so you can always refer the question number. So this is a question number that we are having problem in. So I will take that question on this video lectures. Thank you friends.